Yo guys, Kaji King 3000 here, and sorry if I've been uploading for a long time. I have been going through a lot of stuff, unfortunately. So yeah, but every now and then I'm still gonna try to get a video out there and such, and yeah. But I'm very late on this news, so I thought since I still didn't cover it, I should cover it anyway. But we got some new photos of two new upcoming SAS Martial Arts figures, and that is the Final Wars Godzilla from Godzilla Final Wars 2004, and we got kind of a tease of Godzilla's single point. I'm sorry, a figure from Godzilla's single point, and that is Godzilla himself. And sorry, my voice sounds odd. I just woke up too, so forgive me. But anyway, so yeah, so funny thing about the Final Wars Godzilla figure is that we all kind of called it because like there was one image that came with the SS Martial Arts repaint of Gigan, and like the image showed him like shooting his freaking wires at something, but that something was never actually shown. It was just off camera, and many people assumed that it was Godzilla 2004, which we were right. We called it. So yeah, so we called that one. But I honestly didn't even think they actually would do a figure from Godzilla's single point, since all those freaking designs look freaking weird, and I didn't even think SS Monster Arts would actually do those kinds. So yeah, that's pretty surprising. We didn't get an actual look of the figures, really. It's more like a tease, or we get like a shadow outline of them and just a tease of them, really. So I guess technically this isn't like an actual photo of them, though. It's just a teaser, but it's still cool to see that, yeah, they are coming. They are coming. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.